Cough. Verb. Verb forms. Cough. Coughs. Coughed. Coughed. Coughing. 1. Intransitive. To force out air suddenly and noisily through your throat. For example, when you have a cold. I couldn't stop coughing. To cough nervously, politely, discreetly. 2. Transitive. Cough something up. To force something out of your throat or lungs by coughing. Sometimes she coughed up blood. 3. Intransitive. Of an engine. To make a sudden unpleasant noise. The old engine coughed and spluttered into life. Extra examples. He had a coughing fit and couldn't speak for a few moments. He vomited and began coughing up blood. The brandy made her cough and splutter. The old engine coughed into life. He coughed the dust out of his lungs. He inhaled the smoke and started coughing and spluttering. I couldn't stop coughing. She coughed nervously and looked at me. Sometimes she coughed up blood.